Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another episode review of the show Uthando Nesthembu. Guys, I want us to talk about uNombela noBaba Msilegu. So, uBaba Msilegu was annoyed at uNombela Umbali uMangwabe because basically uMbali ushaye uBaba Msilegu isandla. She basically refused with herself. So Baba Msilegu basically says Utiana he feels like Umbali did not prioritize him because they were at a restaurant with all of his wives and they left together. Wishuti it was Mbali's night. As you know that the wives by Msilegu, they rotate, they schedule each and every night where Ubaba Msilegu will go sleep with a different woman amongst them depending on whose schedule or depending on depending ukuthi schedule yabo ihamba kanjani. So that night maybe we outing yabo, maybe we trip yabo, it was Mbali's night. So Umbali aphume noBaba Msilegu yazi abantu babajabulise vele ukuthi bahamba bonke, they look happy. And then imini elandelayo the next day breakfast iphume indaba ukuthi uBaba Msilegu he was not happy with what Umbali did. So apparently Umbali and she decided angithi bebebhukhe ama-camera angafani. So Baba Msilegu had his own room, Umbali had her own room. So Baba Msilegu said that Umbali, she went to her own room and he went to her own room, but Mbali basically did not come to his room. So ukwatele lokhu ukuthi Mbali did not come to his room and Mbali did not basically give herself to him as she was supposed to. He says that Umbali bekesefowunini for a whole hour exoxa nomngane wakhe, so he feels like Umbali did not prioritize him. And in Mbali's defense, or in her own defense, in her own words, she says if Baba Msilegu wanted her, ngabuzile kamereni like. And Baba Msilegu feels offended because he feels why mele ncenge Umbali uNombela every time. So athi lento siyibonayo, it's nothing new to him. Umbali vele uyijwayele lento, it's her character. Indaba yokuthi uzocabanga ukuthi nihamba indlela eyi-one kanti yena uziyela le. Because when she did leave the restaurant, it did look like she was leaving noBaba Msilegu because it was their night together. But when they got to the hotel, I guess Umbali was like, I guess she was not in the mood. Angazi ukuthi like what really was the issue. But uMayeni noMakhumalo, they could see ukuthi uBaba Msilegu was annoyed, so they were apologizing on Mbali's behalf. That time uMbali usisi wabantu akazingeni ubhizi uzidlela breakfast yakhe while uMayeni and Nakhumalo was trying to apologize on her behalf. She is basically unbothered. Umbali yena according to her athi akasiboni isizathu ukuthi ukwateleni umuntu because akufanga muntu bakhona bonke baphelele bayaphila. So akaboni quite frankly of why uBaba Msilegu is this angry about that. But uBaba Msilegu has spoken about this before. Remember in a past episode, or was it last season, when he was saying ukuthi like he doesn't understand kurong for umfazi athi mekayolala agqoke ama-tight. Yabo. So he's spoken about ukuthi there's a wife that denies him of her body. But he did not exactly say who, but we all knew what he was talking about Umbali, because Umbali, you can see sometimes she's not interested, and quite frankly, she shows an uninterested face. So Baba Msilegu says ukuthi Umbali meke sithi ukuthi if bungifuna why bungeze kamereni lami. So Baba Msilegu says that kusho ukuthi wena ungifuni because like why couldn't you come to me whereas you knew indaba enjalo. But social media has just been saying ukuthi Umbali akasamfuni uMsilegu la why ngashiyi phansi nomshado and etc. Honestly, for me personally, guys, I don't think ukuthi it's a case of Mbali doesn't love uMsilegu. I feel like Msilegu ushade Umbali esazi ukuthi Umbali unje. Because Umbali ambona ukuthi like she's got her own attitude, uziphendulela into ebhekele, like Mbali is Mbali. And I don't feel like Ubaba Mseleku got married to her and was surprised. Because Baba Mseleku has a trend of he dates these women for a very long time um before ungene esithenjini. Vele isithembu was normally like that. You don't get into the marriage whereas being jolly 4 months. Or well, there are some istembus that are like that. But with Umsile, he's been dating these women for a very long time. So ushade Umbali esazi ukuthi Umbali unje. So like I'm not even gonna feel sorry for him, get Umbali Ndondoni. But besides that, guys, remember Umbali does open up in a past episode where she speaks about, the situation she had where waphumukela izisu zakhe. And how Untonjeni was not there for her. He was not supporting her. So sometimes there's things you do to a woman, especially when she's at a very crucial point in her life, can change like the way she acts towards you. So I don't know if Umbali has always been like this, but if it's a case that she hasn't always been like this, a person doesn't just wake up and be like that. There has to be something that got her to that point. And if she's always been like this, Umtombeni married her, knowing very well ukuthi banje Umtombeni noMbali, like they can fight and fight and fight, but hey, mina ngizingeni indaba zabo because I know indaba zabantu abayithu azingenwa, and I know very much those two people are very much in love. But anyway, guys, please do make sure that you like this video and please subscribe. It's for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.